Hello, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error 0xc0000022 on Windows 10. Guys, how to fix and resolve this problem? It's guys very easy and simple method. One or two steps we can know how to resolve and fix this error. Guys, you are new in my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Let's start our video. Guys, first you need to click on type here to search. And here you type register editor. You can see here, just you need to click on it. Then click on this file, then click on export. Type your name, file name and export it. When you can save, click on this save and you can remove this old data you can have saved. And guys, let's expand this. Click expand, then software. In this list you have to expand Microsoft. In this list you have to find Windows NS. I will find it. Let's find V. You can see here Windows NS. Just expand it. Then current version, expand it. In this list you have to find. Then guys, you can see here, just click on it, then open it and you can see this type of box open. You can see a name or all thing. Just validity you have to type 1. Just you type 1, that's it. Then click on this OK. That's it. And restart your PC. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Bye guys.